Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new Nadine West unbagging to share with you all, so stick around to see what came inside. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you guys that I have been sick and I just feel like I sound sort of gross, so sorry in advance. So let's get right into unbagging or unboxing, or however you want to say it, this subscription box. So if you don't know what Nadine West is, they are an awesome clothing and accessory subscription company, and I get one of these every month, chock full of goodies based on a little survey that I've filled out about the kinds of things that I like. And so I'm going to show you everything that came inside, and if you want to try it out for yourself, there's a code down below and you can try it and waive your fee for the first time, all for free, and get your own little try on in home experience. It's super fun. So let's get to it. And if you know me, you know that sometimes I peek at what I got before I get on here with you guys. Well, guess what? I didn't peek this time. Alright, so I'm going to look at the paper that came with it. And this is just the like inventory sheet that tells you like what came in your bag. So this time I got 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and a dress, which I'm actually kind of surprised because normally they always send me an accessory, like a pair of earrings. One time I got sunglasses and they're super cute. So this is the first time I haven't gotten a necklace or earrings or something like that. So let's get into this. And so you can see how cute they come in these little packages. And then this is also just like a label to return anything that you don't want. So always want to keep that with your bag. And let's see what came in here. Okay, so these are little shorts. Oh, and they have pockets. Okay, wow, so these are really really soft. Like I've said before, I've described some of the material, the stuff that they've sent me, as like LuLaRoe leggings soft, like the butter leggings, and that's what these are like. These are cute. Probably really short on me, but we'll see how they fit. These are also short. Oh, those are super cute though. Those are really cute. Probably really short. It's lightning and thundering outside. So these are super cute, also really soft, but probably really short. But the thing that I've mentioned in some of my previous videos is that I really don't have any stuff to wear around the house because I tend to keep stuff for a really long time. So a lot of my pants and shorts and things that I would call house clothes are kind of terrible looking, and I'm trying to get rid of those things and invest in some things that I could wear around the house and feel like I don't look like a, you know, homeless person. So these are kind of good, even if they are just for around the house. So I'll have to think about that. I've been trying to think about that more. Okay, this is a shirt. Oh, and this is like a little baseball tee type shirt with a little pocket. That's really cute. I like this. It's that slinky material, so it's definitely something that you like either have to steam or make sure you pull it out of the dryer right away if you dry it, or hang dry it. I used to not, well, I never had an iron. Seriously, I never had an iron. But recently I bought a cute little travel steamer, and the thing is awesome. It was like, I don't know, something stupid like $14, and I couldn't believe I never had one, and all this time I've been wearing clothes wrinkly. Like, what's wrong with me. So I'm going to use that on this probably to get the little wrinkles out. But if you don't have something like that, you could just probably wash it and hang dry it and make sure it doesn't stay in the washer too long. And man, I really sound sick. I'm so sorry. But I really wanted to film this before we leave for our vacation, so that's just what y'all are gonna get. Alright, so I've done a top and 2 bottoms, so that means I have a top and a dress left. So I think this is probably the top. Oh, and this is a really cute baseball tee. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. And it's also that slinky material. And this is probably something I would like to wear around the house too, or to take Landon like to the park, like with a pair of jeans or a pair of leggings. But this could be dressed up really easily too, like with a high-waisted skirt. I love stuff like this because it's so easy to mix and match. And I like that because it's kind of a staple piece. I gravitate towards prints and stuff. So okay, so this appears to be a maxi dress, and that is really cute. And okay, I don't really fully understand what's happening here. Okay, so I think it's like pretty short, but there's like all these layers that wrap. I don't know if you can see that from there. So it looks like there's like a short skirt in here, and then there's like all these layers that wrap around. So I will definitely try this on and show you all, because this is something that you probably can't tell what the heck's going on until you try it on. So let's get to trying it all on for you. Okay, so this shirt, very comfy. These shorts, very comfy. But the shorts are not something I would wear out anywhere. The shirt is a possibility. It's longer, as you can see, and it would be good with a pair of leggings. It would be good to tuck into high-waisted jeans or high-waisted skirt. I could easily knot it up like this, especially because of how thin it is, and that would be really cute. I like the shirt a lot, but it's very thin, so I would probably feel more comfortable wearing a tank top under it, and obviously not with these shorts. But that being said, if I was going to wear this around the house, it would be super cute and comfy, and that would be awesome too. Okay, this shirt is really cute, very comfy. I like the style, like the baseball tee style. And these shorts, while they are huggy, have like a slouchy feel to them, and they actually go a bit longer than most of the shorts that I have received from Nadine West. So I am really liking these. They have pockets, they're very soft. I could see myself comfortably wearing this outfit to Disney World and being pretty cool in them, other than the fact the shorts are black. But just like I don't normally wear shorts a lot, so I feel self-conscious in them a little bit, but I think to be out somewhere where it's really, really hot, I think this would be really nice to have. So I'm super glad they sent these to me, because these are not something that I would gravitate towards in the store, neither is this shirt. But seeing it together, and I actually really like these two things together, I think this might be a nice comfy day outfit to wear to Disney World. So we will see how I feel about it when we're there. My packing has not started yet, and we leave tomorrow, so soon as I'm done filming this video, that's what I'm going to be doing. What do we think of this dress? I really like it. I think this color, this coral color, is really pretty. There is this panel here, and so that is how short it is, but because of the way it's made and how huggy it is, it stays put. And then there's these panels that come over, and I just think that it's really pretty. It's definitely very beachy. We're leaving for vacation and going to Florida, so I can say that this definitely came at the right time. And even though I feel like this is very beachy and just easy to throw on, I feel like it looks really pretty and put together. And I'm one of those people, I like to feel like I'm put together even if I'm doing something outside or, you know, where it's hot or whatever. So I feel like this will feel like me when we're out. So I'll have to keep you all posted on whether or not it was a good choice for Disney World, but I think it will be. And it stays up really well. And I don't know if you all saw my video on the up bra, but I have on the strapless up bra underneath this, and I feel like very secure. Like, I feel like everything is going to stay where it's supposed to. And yeah, so I'm super excited, and I really like the way, I don't know if you can tell, I'm gonna angle this down. I really like the way this ruches a little bit here. That is definitely good at kind of hiding anything that's poochy. And then this little panel, this is kind of brilliant because, you know, anybody can look a little poochy in something like this when it hugs your body so tight. And I know, you guys, I know. Please don't tell me I'm crazy and I don't have a pooch. I know, okay? But I have had a baby and there is a pooch. There's a little bit of one, okay? So, especially after I've eaten. I've been sick and haven't eaten like real food in days. So that's helping. But anyway, what I was trying to say is this little panel thing here is going to hide anything that I feel looks not how I want it to look. It's really cute. Okay, that's enough about this dress. Okay, so I need to know what you all thought about everything that I got. And I'm just gonna run through everything and the prices with you so that you know what the price points were. So the top, the purple top with the black stripes was called For the Win, and it was $27.99. The top with the gray sleeves was $22.99. It's called Infield. So the baseball tee. The bottoms in blue with the white piping were $17.49. The bottoms in black that I really liked that were a bit longer were $19.49, and the dress that I'm currently wearing is $29.99. So those are all pretty decent price points, I feel like, compared to a lot of the other clothing subscription boxes that are out there. So let me know what you all think about what I got. A few things were a bit similar to stuff that I have received in the past, and with some of the shorts being a little too short, I never can decide on those. But like I said, having some more stuff that I can wear around the house, I'm really trying to keep stuff like that. So let me know what you think in the comments about what I got. As far as the boxes that I've received in the past, this is not my favorite one. I do really like this dress. It's so comfortable, and it's definitely my color. You can see the wall behind me. It's my color. Like, I love coral and turquoise, so pretty much if they send me anything coral, turquoise, or leopard print, I'm gonna be in love with it. But yeah, so let me know what you thought. And again, I want to mention that if you'd like to try out Nadine West for yourself, there's a code down below to try it out and waive your fee. And if you don't like anything, you send it all back and you're not out a dime. So let me know if you try it out for yourself. And if you do, let me know what you get because I think it's so fun.